Okay, so Chinenye, achọrọ m ka ọ bụrụ gị ga-ebu onye izizi ga-ebidogoro anyị ihe ọgụgụ. Ihe ọgụgụ means reading. Ihe ọgụgụ, reading. Okay, Chinenye, ngwa bido n'isi.
Where do I
Chinenye ọ n'ebe a? Ngwa Chinenye bido. Gụsiekwa ya ike, anyị chọrọ ịdị na-anụ ihe ị na-ekwu.
I start from the beginning, right?
Yeah, nishi, bido nishi means to start from the beginning. Bido nishi means start from the beginning. Okay.
Nsogbu dị na njem ụgbọala bụ na.
Okay, now, Chinenye, listen. Remember, I told everybody to practice. You don't get it, call me, but you didn't. Nsogbu dị na, not nsogbu dị na. There's a big difference when you say nsogbu dị na. There is a problem in versus nsogbu dị na, some emergency things. So pay attention to what you're reading. Nsogbu dị na, not nsogbu dị na. When you say there is a problem, there's a big difference when you say there's a problem versus there will be a problem. These are some of the things that happens for you to crash. So pay attention to that. Nsogbu dị na njem, okay? Nobody says nsogbu dị na, but nsogbu dị na. Ngwa Chinenye bidokwa n'isi ọzọ. Start from the beginning.
Nsogbu dị na njem ụgbọala bụ nzukọ na ihe mberede. Enwere nzukọ oge ọtụtụ ụgbọala nọ n'ụzọ n'otu mgbe. Nke a nwere ike ịbụ maka ọnyịnya ọjọọ.
Awesome.
Emeghị ihe ọkụ ụzọ kwuru ma ọ bụ ndị uwe ojii.
Good job.
O nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọ.
Chinenye, is it your sibling making the noise? Okay, tell your mom, please, or your dad to take the sibling away. We're in the classroom. Okay, please. It's distracting to everybody. Or you can take the child to your mom, please. Thank you. All right, are you Ichiyatala? Chinenye, Uchiyatala azụ. Chinenye, ọ bụrụ na Ichiyata, ịgwa m that you're back in Igbo. Chinenye, Uchiyatala azụ. So guys, let's wait for her a second. She's doing very well. Ọ na-agụ ofuma. Ka anyị etinye ohere ka ọ gụchaa akpọ m onye ọzọ. Ọ gụsịa, Emeka dị njikere ego. Emeka gụsịa, Rala agụ, Ralụ gụsịa, Adanna gụsịa, Ebuka.
I'm back.
Chinenye Ichiyatala azụ. Chinenye Uchiyatago azụ. Gịnị? Chinenye, how do you answer the question? How do you say, I am back? How do you say that in Igbo?
Ichiyatalam.
Ichiyatalam azụ. Okay. Ngwa. Bidokwa na o nwekwara.
O nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọ iri nne n'ụzọ otu mgbe. Ịmatụ, oge ndị mmadụ jere ọrụ na elekere 7.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Wait. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. Okay. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Oge ndị mmadụ jere ọrụ na elekere 7. See where you are. Start from here. Ịmatụ.
Ịmatụ, oge ndị mmadụ jere ọrụ na elekere asaa na ọkara.
Gịnị wụ elekere asaa na ọkara?
7:30.
7:30. There you go. Keep going.
Na ụtụtụ.
Mm-hmm.
Nzukọ ụgbọ nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọala ndị mebiri emebi ịdọchi ụzọ.
Gịnị bụ mebiri emebi? Gịnị bụ ụgbọala mebiri emebi? I've been singing this. Ụgbọala mebiri emebi ịdọchi ụzọ means broken cars on the road, blocking a way. Okay, bidokwa. Gbochie.
Gbochie ọgịga ndị ọzọ. Ọ nwekwara ike ịbụ ma ụgbọala sụkọta.
Sukota, when they jam together. Okay, keep going.
Anyị actually, no. Can I restart? Anyị na-enwekwa nsogbu na njem mmiri.
Njem mmiri. Njem mmiri. Achọ nke gwa ya taa Chineke.
Njem mmiri.
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 Yes. Okay. When you're traveling with boat, that's what it is.
Ịmatụ.
Gịnị wụ ịmatụ?
For example.
Okay.
Mmiri nwere ike taa wee kwụsị ụgbọ mmiri ịga. Ụgbọ mmiri.
No. How do you pronounce that word? Remember, we have double M there. Remember, everybody, I said, you can never silent Igbo letter. Every letter must be pronounced. So how do you pronounce it? I just corrected you up there. Ụgbọ gịnị?
Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ na-ehi ehi.
Ihi ehi means when it's maybe something poked it, there is a hole, then water will be coming in or water will be seeping out. When you lifted the pot, you say, oh, this pot leaks. That's what it is. When it's leaking, that's, oh, my boat is leaking. Obom nehi item nehi aferem nehi. So I need you to know this. The beauty of reading, okay, it helps you pick up new Igbo vocabularies. That's the reason I'm doing this. You are not just reading, but you are learning new words, familiarizing yourself with new words you don't even know. So whenever I assign a reading, I know why I did that. Because I want you guys to pick some words and learn Igbo words and learn to speak. It's not just reading it. And that was why the first time I went over this reading, I explained each word that you haven't even come across with, or maybe you know. So when I tell you, print it out, write those meaning on top of those big words or the words you don't know. Some of you don't even take advantage. Some of you don't even want to do it. I don't know. But see the beauty of doing this. Some of the things you don't know. When you read, just like reading novels, you learn better English. The same way in Igbo. Okay, Chinayangwa. Bido mmiri hirinne.
Mmiri hirinne ga na-abata n'ime ya. Ọ nwere ike ikpu ekpu.
Ikpu ekpu means sinking or tumbling. Okay.
Dịka ọ dị, injini. Wait, no, actually no.
Injini.
Injini.
Injini means engine. So you see how they wrote it in Igbo. Injini. So it's called engine. Engine. So in English, okay, go ahead. Injini.
Injini. Ụgbọ elu nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ nwụrụ ọkụ.
Gịnị ụgbọ elu?
It's
Gịnị ụgbọala?
car.
Gịnị ụgbọ mmiri?
Ship.
Gịnị ụgbọ elu?
Plane.
Okay, I don't know why we're thinking about it. You're supposed to know it by now. Okay. Engine ụgbọelu ha bido ebe ahụ.
Injin ụgbọelu nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ nwụrụ ọkụ.
Gịnị wụ nwụrụ ọkụ? Nwụrụ ọkụ means when something is burning. It caught fire. It caught on fire and starts burning. Okay. We say, oh, my house is burning. Ụlọ m nwụrụ ọkụ. Ụlọ m na-agba ọkụ. Okay. Ngwa bidokwa nke a.
Nke a nwere ike ịbụ maka mmebi eletrik ma ọ bụ ịna oke ọkụ na ihe dịka mmebi na ụgbọ njem. Anyị ga-akpọ ndị ọrụ okporo igwe injinia.
Engineer, it says when it comes to traveling misses, it means like cars, a plane, ship. Okay, that's in here deka, maybe no one gem. Anyị ga-akpọ ndị, we will call ndị ọrụ okporo ụzọ, like all this unfortunate event or something happened suddenly, you call people that will fix it, which is, they call it, whether it's a mechanic for cars or for ships or for airplane, they call them engineers. So you see how they wrote it in Igbo, engineer, because they have no word for it in Igbo. So they're the same word, just like Spanish. Sometimes they tell you, you know how Spanish goes. So the same way here, engineer, but it's in Igbo letters, okay? In Igbo word, not in English, because you won't write engineer like this in English. So you call them to fix it. Kaha dozie ha. Dozie means to fix something, to put in place, to put in a good place. That's what it is. Achina ebido aga edozi.
Aga edozi ma ọ bụ zughachi ngwa ihe ụgbọ mmiri na nke elu. Ụfọdụ na ụgbọ njem anyị na-eje taa dịka ekụsiri na modụl a, ejiri ha na mgbe ochie.
Mgbe ochie means olden days.
Ịmatụ bụ ụgbọ mmiri, anyịnya ebu na ndị mburu.
Okay, it says all these examples given here. In the olden days, you won't see airplane, cars, or ship. You will see something like, you will see some, they call the canoes, those small little canoes that you use to, just get across to the other side, okay? And then you see like camels. If you go to the Middle East, if they're still using it today, camels that carries load in the desert. So these are the things you see, all human beings carrying them on their back. Some of them, you see them, they have hunchbacks because they use their back to carry all these loads. So that's what it's telling you. In the olden days, mgbe ochie means in the olden days. Chinenye daalụ, awesome. Ralo, inewele aka elu.
Yeah, I have a question.
Chinenye, Ralo, how do you say you have a question? Okay.
Ajuju. So, is there an English version of this text?
You mean the reading? No, there's no English version. Why do you need to learn Igbo? You know English already. The reason you're looking for English version, but you need to learn all these words and know them. So you don't need English version. If there's a word you don't understand, we tell you what it is. So you need to read this and understand it. Everything I explained in the class, if your parents can help you, I'm here to help. But none of you are making effort to know the words. If I ask you now, gịnị wụ anyịnya ibu? Gịnị wụ anyịnya ibu gị alụ? And nobody will ask me. Well, after class, I will say, do you have a question? Everybody will keep quiet. because I'm expecting every one of you to know everything in this passage. If you don't know it, which means you're just coming in and out, you don't care to learn. That's what it is. I have explained all this. I have done that. I had done it several times, but nobody want to learn. So I don't know how you guys want to learn to speak Igbo. If you don't want to make sure that every class, that everything you ask question if you do not understand anything. That's the thing. And in Igbo, it's like the camels. Okay, they carry loads. Okay, so Emeka, your turn.
Okay. Aren't you gonna go to the top?
Yes, Emeka Bidonishi.
Okay. Nsogbu dị na njem ụgbọala bụ nzukọ na ihe mberede.
Mberede.
Mberede. Enwere nzukọ oge ọtụtụ ụgbọala nọ n'ụzọ n'otu mgbe. Nke a nwere ike igbu ma ọnyịnya ọjọọ emeghị ihe ọkụ ụzọ kwuru ma ọ bụ ndị uwe ojii.
Gịnị wụ ndị uwe ojii?
Wait, what did?
Gịnị wụ ndị uwe ojii?
Policeman.
Okay, good.
Ọ nwekwara ike igbu maka ụgbọ iri nne n'ụzọ otu mgbe. Ime atụ oge ndị mmadụ jere ọrụ na elekere 7:30 n'ụtụtụ.
Gịnị bụ ụtụtụ? Gịnị bụ ụtụtụ? Okay, keep going.
Nzukọ ụgbọ nwekwara ike igbu maka ụgbọala ndị mebiri emebi idochi ụzọ.
Gịnị wụ idochi ụzọ? Gịnị wụ idochi ụzọ?
As it broken?
No, when something is blocking your way.
Oh, blocking.
Now, if you're sitting on the door, I say, Emeka, get out of the way. Inochiri ụzọ, idochiri ụzọ. So when you just left your bike, blocking the garage, your dad will say, Emeka, pupu, bia pupu igwe gị, idochiri ụzọ. So when you block away from something person or from someone person, now keep going. Gbochie.
Gbochie ogega ndị ọzọ.
So when you block it away, you are preventing. Gbochie means preventing others from passing or things from passing. Okay, keep going. Ọ
nwekwara ike igbu ma ụgbọala sukọta.
Gịnị bụ ụgbọala sukọta?
Okay.
Gịnị bụ ụgbọala isukọta, Emeka?
Cars too close.
No. Ụgbọala isukọta when you have a head-on collision or another car crashing on you. That's what it is. Yeah, when they hit each other, when there's a crash. All right? Emeka, you did a good job. Now, I want you to start from the second paragraph. Emeka. Emeka, you need to work on your intonation, okay? You still read it with accent. When Chinenye read it, Chinenye did a good job. Chinenye brushed it off, so you won't hear Chinenye reading with accent. So the accent, I mean the tonation. So instead of saying, so we say, you see that? So make sure you listen to my recording and read it and pronounce it correctly, okay? That's all you need to work on, all right? I'm going to assign another reading, but you still have to keep on reading the new one and make sure you brush it off, okay? But you did a good job. Dalo, Ngwaralo,
Imela.
Ndewo, Ralo. You don't say na.
Yes, Ani na-enwe kwa
Anyị, not anyị, not anyị. Anyị na-enwe.
Anyị na-enwe kwa nsogbu na njem mmiri.
Now, everybody listen closely again. Listen to me again. When you see double letter in the beginning of a word. You have to, like Miri, if you see double M, the first letter, you close your mouth, Miri. Remember, if you have it in your brain that every letter must be pronounced, I don't see why you are going to miss it. Miri, Mary, you have, just like if you're calling it Neka, Neka has double N in the beginning. Neka, see that? So bear that in mind, please. Ralubidokwa n'isi, anyị.
Anyị na-enwe kwa nsogbu na njem mmiri.
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 Ha.
Ịma atụ, mmiri nwere ike taa.
Nwere ike taa. You see the double A, not one A there.
Wee kwụsị ụgbọ mmiri ịga. Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike mebi ma ọ bụ.
No, Ralo, you cannot swallow a word. You didn't pronounce this word right.
Maybe.
There you go. So don't rush it, just pronounce it clearly. Ginu maybe. It says, Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike maybe. What does that mean? What does that sentence say? Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike maybe. What does that mean?
So it means the boat has.
Ginu we maybe. Something. Okay. Ụgbọ mmiri is the boat. Okay. Nwere ike may break down on the way. That's when something is, when your car broke down, when your bike broke down, when your ship or airplane broke down. That's what it, or maybe. When I say, Ralo, what is your car doing there? I say, oh maybe. Gini ka moto gi, ụgbọala gị na-emeba gị, so maybe. It broke down. That's why I cannot move it. Maybe. Maybe means to break down. Maybe. Is the verb. Maybe. Maybe is a verb. So when you're making a sentence, maybe. Or remember it. So you have to apply the pronoun. Maybe. It broke down. Okay? Ngwa bidokwa ụgbọ mmiri.
Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ n'echi echi.
Is that what you saw there? Can you pronounce this word?
Echi.
Is there C? Did you see CH there? Ehi. That's what I'm so. Look at it. Say what you saw, okay? Ehi. What did I say ehi means? What is the verb? Ehi. I said it when Emeka was reading. When Chinenye was reading. Ehi is something leaking. To leak is ehi. Ona ehi is leaking. Okay? Ngwabidokwa mmiri.
Mmiri hiri nega na abata n'ime ya. O nwere ike ịpụ.
Gịnị wikpu?
Ịpụ is to
There you go. But it shows that you guys are not listening, because when Chinaya was reading, I said it. He said, "Miri hearing a lot of water." When something has a hole in it, then water will, if it's a ship, water will be coming in. That means Miri hearing a lot of water. Okay? Miri hearing gana bata will be coming in. When you say bataba, when I come to your house, you say bata nulo. Come inside the house. Bata nulo. Come inside the house. So Miri hearing water will be coming, rushing in through the hole. Okay? Ime somersault. It means you may, just tumble. And then when a ship sinks, because water is coming in. So that's what it is. Ngwaralo dalo. Kedu onye nsọ ga-agụ ma ọ gụsịa Adanna. Adanna, the fourth one, the third one. Adanna ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m n'ebe a.
Ngwa kwụsie okwu ike, ngwa gị nwa ga-agụ bido dịka.
Dịka o ji nne ugbo.
No. Open your mouth. No. Adanna, ị gụrụ ya? Did you practice?
Yeah.
Okay, if you did practice and he didn't ask your parents questions and he didn't ask me a question, then you know it. So I'm expecting you to read it clearly. So bidokwa deka.
Dịka o ji injin ụgbọ elu nwere ike mgbe ma
No,
ọ bụ.
Adanna. I'm gonna tell your mom I'll call her. You need to really practice. You did not practice, no. So you have to keep on practicing. And on Tuesday, I'm expecting your recording. And you did not send me your recording, you know that. Adanna, is it a regime here onyonyo? Here be na go in here. Imegi. Okay. Moving on to another person. Iken no never. Uche no never. Okay, Iche na ngwa bido dịka ọ dị.
Dịka ọ dị, injin ụgbọ elu nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ wuo ọkụ.
Gịnị wụ nwụrụ ọkụ? Gịnị wụ nwụrụ ọkụ? It will caught on fire, okay? It catches fire. That's nwụrụ ọkụ. Kebidokwa nke a.
Nke a nwere ike ibu maka emebi eletrik ma ọ bụ ịna oke ọkụ.
Keep going.
Na ihe dịka mmebi na ụgbọ njem, anyị ga-akpọ ndị ọrụ okporo igwe injinia.
It means okay, keep ka
ha dozie ha. A ga-edozi ma ọ bụ edozi ma ọ bụ zụghachi ngwa ihe ụgbọ mmiri na nke elu.
Okay, so when you say aga edozi ma ọ bụ zụghachie, you either fix, which is dozie. Zụghachie means or buy a new one to fix whatever the problem is. That's what it is. When you hear dozie ya, it means can you fix it for me? Ige dozi ya. Can you buy another one? Ega zụghachi. Ịzụghachi means to buy, okay? Now, Uchenna gụwakwa ụfọdụ.
Ụfọdụ na ụgbọ njem anyị na-eji taa dịka egosiri na model ha.
When they say modular, now they said it in Igbo because it's like a passage. This model, they call this passage you are reading model. But if you look there, look at that word. It's written in Igbo. Okay. Ken Uchenna ngwakwa ejiri.
Ejiri ha na mgbe ochie. Ịma atụ bụ ụgbọ mmiri. Ịma atụ bụ ụgbọ mmiri. Anyịnya ibu na ndị mburu.
Anyịnya ibu.
Anyịnya ibu na ndị mburu.
Gịnị wụ anyịnya ibu, Uchenna? I said it before. Anyịnya ibu is like camel that carries load for people. All right, daalụ. Ebuka, ngwa n'isi mbido. Ebuka ọ ka na ebe a?
Ana m ebe a.
Ngwa, gbalịa ike gị.
Nsogbu dị na njem ụgbọala bụ nzukọ n'ihe mberede.
Gịnị wụ mberede, Ebuka?
Sorry?
Gịnị wụ mberede?
Mberede bụ surprise.
Or sudden events. Okay, good.
Enwere nzukọ oge ọtụtụ ụgbọala nọ n'ụzọ n'otu mgbe. Nke nwere ike ịbụ maka onyinye ọjọọ.
Gịnị wụ ọnyịnya ọjọọ?
Uh, something.
Reckless driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, I knew it was something bad.
Huh? Is that what?
I said I knew it was something bad. Or jaw is
Yeah.
bad.
So when you say ọnyịnya ọjọọ, when you say nwoke a jọrọ njọ, nwoke a wụ ajọ mmadụ si dị onye ọjọọ, it means it's a very hard-headed person or someone who is very wicked. But when you say ọ jọrọ njọ, when you say, hey, Ebuka, when you tell Kamsi, hey, Auntie Kuneti jọrọ njọ, it means that I'm an ugly person. You see that?
Oh,
When
no.
you look at somebody, you go to occasion and you look at, you were just whispering to your friend, nwoke a jọrọ njọ mmadụ, it means that that man is so ugly. So I want you guys to see some of the scenarios, like when you say different ways you can use ojo, but there's a difference when you say onye wa onye ojo or wa ajo mmadụ, it means it's a very bad human being. Versus when you say ugly person, hey, nwanyị a jọrọ njọ o, it means that woman is so ugly. See that? So I want you to know how several ways you can put it, because very soon I will start you guys to I'm going to let you guys start writing and see how you're going to be making your sentence. So when you're reading, see the punctuation, the pronunciation, and everything. So you're not just reading, you're also learning to write and how to punctuate. Okay, ngwakwa bidokwa ebe ese nke a nwere ike
Nke a nwere ike ịbụ maka onyinye ọjọọ, emeghị ihe ọkụzọ nkwuru maọbụ ndị uwe ojii.
You know what is uwe ojii, huh? Am I here uwe ojii?
Yes.
Gịnị uwe ojii?
A policeman.
Good, okay.
O nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọ iri nne n'ụzọ otu mgbe.
Gịnị wụ o nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọ iri nne n'ụzọ otu mgbe?
Otu mgbe.
You know, o nwekwara ike ime also, you see, this is also, it could be when there are so many, I don't know why this is, when there are so many cars on the road. O nwekwara ike means it could be also ike ịbụ maka ụgbọ iri nne, a lot of cars, ihi nne, it can be iri nne or ihi nne. This is just the dialect, okay? N'ụzọ otu mgbe, at the same time, when you have so many cars on the road at the same time. That's what it's saying. Okay, ngwa gụwakwa.
Ịmatụ oge ndị mmadụ, oge ndị mmadụ jere ọrụ na elekere 7:30 n'ụtụtụ. Nzukọ ụgbọ nwekwara ike ịbụ maka ụgbọala ndị mebiri emebi, idochi ụzọ, gbochie ọgịga ndị ọzọ.
Gịnị wụ gbochie ọgịga ndị ọzọ?
It's like it's blocking the way.
Yes, from others. Okay, from passing. Good. Okay.
O nwekwara ike ịbụ ma ụgbọala sọkọta.
Gịnị wụ o nwekwara ike ịbụ? What is that?
It may also be.
Good job. Okay. See, Ebuka, did you see a big difference last time and today?
Yes.
You are reading it. It's very, very clear, right? That's what I'm looking, and that's what it is. When you keep reading, you keep familiarizing yourself, your intonation, everything keeps getting better. You see, when they put it in English, practice makes perfect. That thing is not just to say, make the sentence. It is true. The more you read, you get better. And that's why I keep telling you guys, I will assign a new reading. Make sure you get it done, because you're doing yourself a favor. Before you know it, you pick up a lot of words that you didn't know. So I'm going to assign another reading before Saturday and practice it before coming to class. I would like to see somebody surprise me. Ebuka, dalo.
Auntie, and wait, Ajuju.
Ngwa Kamsi Ebuka jisi ajụjụ gị nwe bido. Ngwa Ebuka.
So how would you say, what would be the saying for practice makes perfect in Igbo?
Okay. Practice ịwụ ịmụ ihe. Ịmụ ihe ga-eme gị ime ofuma. You see that? Ịmụ ihe ga-eme gị ime ofuma. Learning something will make you do better. That's what it is. But I will put it in very well for you and send it to you, okay?
Okay.
I want you to know it so that you'll be saying it. Instead of telling somebody practice makes perfect, you'll be saying it in Igbo. So
Exactly.
try to use those words and then get used to it. And people will be like, how did you know this? How come you know how to say this? Yeah, so try to find a way to learn new words. If you say, okay, every day I'm going to learn 2 or 3 Igbo words, add it to my portfolio. Trust me, you will start speaking Igbo now. And I'm not talking to Ebuka alone, I'm talking to everybody. Okay, Ebuka, nwere ajụjụ ọzọ?
Mba.
Okay. Kamsi ngwa imeela. Kamsi.
Anyị
Bido.
na-enwekọ nsogbu na njem mmiri. Ime atụ, mmiri nwere ike taa.
Gịnị wụ mmiri? I like the spirit you are using, Kamsi. I like your voice and everything. You're reading it with the power, and that's good. Gịnị bụ mmiri nwere ike taa?
Water may dry up.
Awesome. Where?
Kwụsị ụgbọ mmiri ịga. Ụgbọ mmiri nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ na-ehi ehi. Mmiri hiri nne ga-anabata n'ime ya.
Awesome.
O nwere ike ikpo ekpo.
Keep going.
Dịka ọ dị, injin ụgbọelu nwere ike mebie ma ọ bụ nwụrụ ọkụ. Nwụrụ ọkụ.
What is that? Gịnị ka ọ bụ?
Catch fire.
Good.
Nke a nwere ike ịbụ maka mmebi eletrik ma ọ bụ na oke ọkụ.
Okay, that thing is a type of inga. There should be a dot on top of N. So it's saying that what could cause that damage? Maybe it just catches fire. The engine just catches fire. Or there should be some wiring issue. That's why it says electric. You see, it's written in Igbo, not in English. Electric. Mobile is so hot. Just like sometimes when your car starts overheating, you see smoke coming out from the bonnet. That's what it's trying to explain to us. Everyday thing that you see, that's what it is. And it's good that you see how the words goes, how it's being worded, and so on. Go ahead.
N'ihe dịka mmebi na ụgbọ njem, anyị ga-akpọ ndị ọrụ okporo igwe injinia ka ha dozie ha.
Okay, now Kamsi gịnị ka ị kpọrọ this ihe ka this word gịnị ka ị kpọrọ ya? Okporo gịnị? Okporo
igwe.
Okay, no, it's okporo igwe. When okporo igwe means iron or rod. When you say okporo igwe, igwe means heaven. You see, so the tonation matters here. When you igwe, okay, we have igwe, okay, igwe. Remember when we did similar words, different meaning? Igwe, 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 igwe. Okay, igwe means heaven. Igwe means iron or rod. Igwe means group. I'm gonna test you guys on that. So all these words, I'm going to pick all of them. We start class next week with a quiz. With all these words you see here. Let me see how many of you retained what they're learning today. Okporo achọrọ nke ikwugharịa ya ọzọ. Okporo gịnị?
Igwe.
There you go, huh?
Injinia. Ka ha dozie ha. A ga-edozi ma ọ bụ zụghachie ngwa ihe ụgbọ mmiri na nke elu. Ụfọdụ na ụgbọ njem anyị na-eji taa dịka egosiri na modul a, ejiri ha na mgbe ochie. Ịmaatụ bụ ụgbọ mmiri, anyịnya ibu na ndị mburu.
Ndị mburu means people carrying the boot, the load, or the camel carrying it. That's what he's saying. That is awesome. You know what? I am so happy. I would say almost all of you did very well. If you know you didn't do very well, please keep brushing up, keep doing this. You have to still record and send to me. I will assign a new reading. Look, keep checking the forum. I will post it. And if you don't have a phone, keep telling your parents to tell you when I posted something, please. But you guys did very well. Now, if you know if there is a word here you do not understand, please ask me a question now. This is time for you to ask question. Okay, Kamsi nwere ajụjụ ngwa.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Gịnị bụ anyịnya?
Anyịnya bụ, you know, camels that carries load. Have you seen one? Yeah, it's called anyịnya. You know horses?
Yeah.
You know horse?
They
let the horse carry something. So you know how in the Renaissance, I don't know if you attended one. So they join horses together. They still do it these days. And then they tie the carriage behind the two horses, which dragging the carriage. So they still do it. And then anyịnya ibu means the camel. And then ndị mburu means human being, having the load on their back, or maybe carrying it on their head. That's what it is, okay?
Oh, okay. Daru.
Imeela, onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Ralo?
Ajụjụ.
Okay.
Gịnị bụ onwekwara?
Onwekwara ike, onwekwara means it may be, or also onwekwara. There should be, just like you say, this is how you do this. You can also, there's another way. So you can also do it this way, or it may be this way. This can happen, or it may also happen this way. So it's like giving series of ways you can do things. Okay? When you say, when you say, they did this here, and they also can do it the other way. You see what I'm saying? Aralo? Did you understand? Okay. Okay. All of you did very well today. Please keep practicing. I will assign another reading. I need to start another class, okay? All right.